Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to fix your non-compliance. I've received quite a few comments and in this video I will show you exactly how to do that. The first step is to check your non-compliance profile, and when you log into e-filing under tax status you can go to tax compliance status, then go to my compliance profile, and then you'll see obviously the ones that you need to fix are would be red, and either usually it's the submission of returns that's outstanding, or there's tax debt that's outstanding. So first you have to check what is actually outstanding. Okay, then after checking the non-compliance issues, you can go into each section into detail to see exactly what is outstanding. And in this case, it is the 2021 and 2022 tax returns that needs to be submitted. So that's the first thing that we need to fix. And the second thing that we need to fix is the debt. And in this case, the total debt here that's due to SARS is 142,000, and then for income tax that would be 134,000, and the rest would be sitting in admin penalties. So that's step 2. And the only way to fix non-compliance, step 3, is to submit the outstanding tax returns, so 2021 and 2022, and to pay off the tax debt. There is unfortunately no faster way to fix non-compliance with regards to debt except for paying it off. Payment arrangements are not included in this solution. That's step 3. And then finally, step 4, after you've submitted the tax returns that's outstanding and you have paid the tax debt, you can check the tax compliance profile again, and then all of them should show green, and there you go. Compliance is now fixed, and now you can get a tax clearance certificate from SARS. That's it. That's the tutorial. And if you like this video, click on subscribe, because I am going to make a lot more videos with regards to not only tax, but also for business and entrepreneurship. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video.